Alright guys, today we will be fishing Delta Coves out here in the California Delta. We're going to be throwing some buzz baits, some wacky rigs, and we're going to get some fish, so I'll see you then. So we are throwing this watermelon red flake Senko, and yep, let's go see if we can get some fish. Alright, we're pulling up to our first spot here. And there's this little thing that I like to cast on right there. I just let that sink. It is 7:24 and Delta Coves is just pretty much one big pond. I mean, you can't, god dang it. Look at that spider web. Jeez, oh piso. California Delta, this whole area, Bethel Island, it's just pretty much just called Australia with all the spiders that are out here. They're so bad. I've been losing Senkos like crazy recently. Spending too much money on Senkos. So I finally put a ring on this thing. And I haven't lost my Senko yet, so. Oh, I'm snagged. Dang it, that was a fish. Ah, it sucks. Hopefully it stays that way. So, pretty much what I do here is every few steps, I just take a cast, kind of down here. Sometimes it's kind of sketchy walking through these rocks. But I just let it get out there. It's pretty, and I kind of put my rod tip down so it sinks. Just wait for that dink dink. You're on a fish. I like this colorway because it glimmers in the sun so much. Fish love it. As it starts to get darker. Oh, there's a fish. Look at that, guys. Yep. Yamamoto. Yep. This is about your average. What the hell does he have in his mouth? Oh, ow. Okay, chill out, dude. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me get this hook out real quick. He has like a stick in his mouth. It was extra hungry. Quick release. Wait, is this right there? Okay. Else, fresh new Senko in there. Same colorway. Let's see if we can bring in another one. I didn't even feel that fish bite, dude. It's kind of reeled up and he was on there. Oh, I'm snagged. Dang it, that was a fish. That would have been a big old fish. Alright, I gotta go up anyways. Oh my god. I don't know if I have any more hooks in my bag, so that kind of sucks. Ah, it sucks. Alright, we'll go up and tie on. After our difficulties there, we got a new hook Senko. A little bit darker, but it's still red flake. And we're gonna go ahead and cast right up on here. Here, we'll just go through right here. Okay. Cast one. I love it out here. It's so beautiful. If you do ever come out here, please just respect people, respect the fish, respect the animals, and don't leave your trash out. Pick up your line. Have courtesy. Smaller Senko. Oh, there's one. There we go, guys. Never mind, I'll keep the Senko on. Nice. Alright, let's get down there. Keep them pinned. Oh, it's a nice one. Get up here, bud. Come here. There we go. Told you one was gonna sit right there. There we go, guys. Little bassisi. There. Push that back through there. Alright, I'm gonna keep this Senko on. Good thing I didn't switch off. Alright, I'll pitch it right in there.
You been fishing?
Oh yeah.
You caught fish?
Yeah, I just caught one right there.
Yeah, I think I saw it.
Can get one. You guys want to say what's up to the camera?
Yeah. What's up?
There goes my Senko. I think those kids just threw a rocket. That goose. It sucks. Hopefully it's okay. Yeah, I already knew he was doing that. Just hit that goose right in the head, and that sucks. God dang it. Hey, I'm gonna go cast on these docks. I'll see you boys later, alright?
What'd you say?
I'm gonna go fish these docks. So I'll see you guys later, alright?
You're gonna go fish over there?
Yeah. I don't want you guys on here with no life jackets. It's not safe.
Oh.
But hey, you guys be safe, alright? If I catch a fish, I'll show you guys, okay? Alright, later, guys. I'm going to show you how easy it is to catch a fish in the California Delta out here in Delta Coves. All you need is a Senko and wacky rig Senko and you're good. Airball. Alright. Oh my god, that was a big fish, dude. Please come out. Please come eat this liver. Holy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. Whopper flapper. Alright. Very rare for them too, but carp will come through here. Just eat on all the crawdads under the rocks and whatnot. I hope there's a striper sitting here. That would be pretty sick. Big old striper. And if you guys ever want to, you know, get good at, you know, not even setting the hook, but just reeling in a fish in general, go out there and go striper fishing. I mean, they're pretty easy to catch. Just get some bait and throw it out there. You know, and if you are throwing bait, then you can also practice with your hook sets, but those fish fight and they will not let go. And they're pretty fun to catch, you know, just practice. For those people that out there that are saying, oh, fishing's easy, blah, 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 it's really like, really isn't, you know. Bluegill fishing, that's easy. But, you know, big bass fishing, going out on boats, you know, is doing that kind of stuff. You need to put a lot of thought into what you're throwing, moon cycles, temperature, you know. Just, you need to put a lot of thought into fishing. It's not just, oh, I'm gonna put my reel in the water or my line in the water and, you know, just easily catch a big fish. Because these big fish out here, they are smart. They've been caught and they know the difference between real and fake. Like, they'll see a lure and be like, oh, that's fake. Like, these fish, very, very, very smart. So just put a lot of consideration in what you're throwing, what time you're throwing, temperature you're throwing in, you know, just that kind of stuff. But if you want to get into fishing, watch videos, educate yourself, and, you know, make sure you're throwing the right stuff, getting the right stuff, not wasting your money. Or $100 or a couple of $100. Yeah, I don't know how there wasn't a fish right there. Lots of fish. Get off, please. Please get off. I really don't want to take this guy off the hook right now. That's stinging. There he is. Little dink. Fish. Saw a striper jump out here. Let's cast. All right, let's get going.
No, that wasn't me. I didn't say that. Yeah.
Yes, that was a great day of fishing. We will be out here hopefully early in the morning. But yeah, key takeaways from this video, you know, put consideration into what you're throwing. Be respectful while fishing, you know, and just go pick up a rod. Honestly, like, fishing, it's a great thing, you know. It soothes the soul, and it can definitely help you out in the long run, you know. And it's just a great thing, honestly. If you're bored inside, stuck in the house, just get out, you know, go fishing, go catch some fish, look up videos on what to throw and just how to fish, you know. And yeah, just that's it. That's all I have. Just that's it. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.